If you love mushrooms, then you must try this recipe. Matar mushroom is the most basic curry that is prepared in Indian cuisine. If you want to taste the awesomeness of the dish, prepare it at home with white button mushrooms and an amalgamation of spices along with green peas. It is a sufficient lunch and dinner recipe. Matar mushroom masala can be easily prepared for the scrumptious meal. It can also be made for special occasions like birthday, anniversary, game night, and kitty party. So why are we waiting for? Let's begin today's recipe, Matar mushroom. So hello and welcome once again to my channel Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's check the ingredients. And the ingredients are fresh green peas, asafetida or hing, garam masala powder, turmeric powder, salt, sugar, red chili powder, yogurt, with that onion, cashew, green chili, ginger, garlic, and few coriander leaves to garnish it. And with that, our lovely butter mushroom. Now let's begin the recipe. First of all, you need to clean the mushroom. Take 500 gram mushrooms to a colander and spray them with water until the dirt washes away. Alternatively, you can soak them in a bowl of water and wash them for a minute. Recommend doing it just for 1 to 2 minutes and not longer, as mushroom has a tendency to absorb water and become waterlogged, so the best to limit the soaking. Then immediately wipe them up with a damp paper towel until clean. Next, with the help of a knife, cut them into 2 pieces, or you can make 4 to 5 slices of your choice. Now add salt as per your taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder. Then add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Next, mix with your hands so the masalas are well coated with the mushroom, and then marinate it for 10 minutes before cooking it further. Now let's start the cooking part. In a pan, add 2 cups of water, and once the water starts boiling, add 8 to 10 cashew, 2 medium-sized onion cut it into small pieces, 4 to 8 garlic cloves, 2 green chili, and 2 to 3 ginger slices. And let it boil for 4 to 5 minutes. After that, with the help of a strainer, remove it and place them into a mixer grinder and make a fine paste. No need to add. Next, in a heated pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil heats up, then add 1.5 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. And once it starts to splatter, then add the onion paste which you have done just now. In a high flame, saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Continuously stir it, or else it will stick at the bottom of your pan. After that, once the onion paste changes its color to darker side, then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as per your taste, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Again, mix everything well in a medium-high flame and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes, or once the oil starts to release from all the sides. Then add 1 cup of fresh green peas. If you don't have green peas, then you can use store-bought green peas too. Now, cover and cook in a low flame for 5 to 6 minutes. And once this stage reaches or the oil starts to float at the top, then again mix everything well. Then add the marinated mushroom with the marination. Finally, give a good stir up and down, and then cover and cook in a low flame for 5 to 8 minutes. Over here, I want to mention you that no need to add water, as I told you before, mushroom has a tendency to hold lot of water. And after cooking it for 4 to 5 minutes, you will see mushroom has the tendency to let out moisture and shrink in sizes. From this video, you can understand. At this point of time, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves from top and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Then again cover and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes in a very low flame. So finally you will get a grand result. So finally, after 4 to 5 minutes, see the result. It's looking marvelous and delicious. Stir and serve the matar mushroom ki sabji hot or warm with rotis, naan, parathas or chapatis as the mushrooms are cooked to perfection. Now serve it in a serving bowl and enjoy this with your friends and family. So, at last, if you think today's recipe is worth it, then give a like or leave a comment below if you have made it. For more vegetarian inspiration, don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy my cooking channel Cooking Stories. See you again with another new recipe. Till then, bye bye.